How to find parking with Google Maps. Looking for parking in the city can be tricky, but with Google Maps, it's a breeze. Let me show you how to find parking using a simple method in the app. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and enter the destination where you're heading. You can also turn on your location to see your position on the map. Swipe left to see more options. Tap on More. In the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Parking. It's usually located near the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and Google Maps will suggest nearby parking locations around your destination. Once you see the parking spots listed, pick the one that looks most convenient for you. Google Maps will show you the parking rating, hours of operation, and you can also get directions to that parking location. You can go back to the map and click the red circle to get information and directions to the selected parking spot. Find the one that works best for you. After parking, Google Maps will give you walking directions to your final destination, so you don't get lost in the city streets. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to find parking in the city using Google Maps. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.